Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make an outline text in Photoshop. So first step you need to do is to open Photoshop, click on type tool and add a text. So I'm going to add my channel name, how to solutions for example. Click on this tick mark and make it a little bigger. Okay, and then you simply need to click on this icon and click on stroke. So I want to give a below stroke, so select below, and if you want you can make it a little bit bigger so it is on outside. You can select inside or whatever, how you like you can do. So here you can see that it is now done as I want. So this is the process how you can make an outline text in Photoshop. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.